If you're trying to update any app from Google Play Store from My Apps section and it keeps on showing error, checking for updates, and by following few simple instruction and simple steps you can fix this error by clearing all data of Google Play Store app and by force stopping Google Play Store app. So, let's see in detail how to fix this error checking for updates on Google Play Store app. Step 1. Launch Settings app on your Android phone. Step 2. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Step 3. Tap on Manage Apps section. Step 4. Scroll down and select Google Play Store. Step 5. Scroll down and tap on Force Stop and Confirm by clicking on OK. Step 6. Now, click on Clear Data and confirm by clicking on Clear All Data. That's it. Once you force up Google Play app and clear all data, then you will not see Google Play Store error checking for updates and you will see a list of all applications which are ready to update.
Do subscribe to a Savvy Web YouTube channel to receive latest updates on how-to and fixes for all tech-related issues like Windows, Mac, iOS, Smart TV, Android and many more. Thanks for watching.